What is up, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. We are heading to the Nike outlet, hopefully looking to find some shoes to flip on Goat, eBay, Mercari, wherever we can flip them, we're gonna flip them, but we're gonna head there right now. Hopefully they put new stuff out in the morning every single day. So I've literally gone every day this week so far, or at least the last 4 days, and been finding some pretty good stuff. I'll definitely show you guys at the end of this video this week's pickups, what I found to flip and what I've already sold just within the few days of me buying this stuff, because I've already sold 4 pairs in I sold 4 pairs yesterday. So sneaker business is definitely booming right now. But I'm gonna head to the Nike clearance store. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. We're gonna head home, show you guys what I pick up today and what I've picked up for the last week and what actually sold for a profit. Well, forgot my wallet in the car, so hopefully I hid my shoes that I had, so hopefully no one takes them. So be right back. All right guys, just leaving the clearance outlet, picked up 6 pairs of shoes, spent over like 320 something bucks, not sure exactly, I'll have to look at my receipt, but it's kind of hard to film in the store because at the clearance outlets, everything has box tops off of them. There's no full boxes, and they put new stuff out every day. So there's like 6, 7, 8, 9 resellers lined up outside every morning. So you kind of have to run in, go through as fast as you can, find as much stuff as possible. And then you just kind of pull stuff off the shelves, what looks good, what might be worth some extra money, and then look them up. So that's what we did. Got 6 pairs. I got 2 pairs of these like offline sandals. I have 8 more at home. I already sold 2 for 110 bucks on eBay. So picked up 2 more of those. Picked up a pair of Vapor Maxes, a pair of Air Maxes, and what else did I get? Something else. I'll show you when I get home, and then I'll show you some of the other finds from this week. Just got home. I'm gonna show you what I picked up today, so let's get right on into it. So I got 2 pairs of these Nike offline slides. I actually picked up quite a few of these this week. They're definitely pretty interesting looking. I tried a pair on because I got a pair in my size too. Kind of want to keep them just because they're so comfortable, but paid $49 each on these. I got a size 9 and a size 10. So 2 pairs of those today. I sold a pair of these on eBay for $109 and a pair on Goat for over $100, and a size 13 on Goat and a size 10 on eBay. So I'm just picking these up. Prices have dropped a bit on Goat. Some people are selling for 80 bucks, so there's only like 15 profit. So I'm just gonna hold because I'm getting a lot of traffic on eBay on these, so these should sell pretty well. Picked up these Nike Air Max women's Air Max 1s for 49 bucks. They're selling pretty good on Goat and on eBay. Picked up these Flyknit Vapor Max Oreos. Picked these up for $79. These always sell for like 130 plus. So a good at least 40, 50 bucks profit on these when they sell. And then I picked up these Nike Air Max 3s. Picked them up for $59.99, size 13. Sold comps over 100 on these. Probably like 120 on Goat for sure. So definitely a pretty good seller. So you make about 40 profit on those. So that's all I picked up today. But I'm going to show you guys what I have shipping out today. So I sold these on eBay, size 10 for $109.97. Sold just these. I had these sandals that I didn't send into Amazon for whatever reason. So I listed them on Goat yesterday and they sold. I paid 60% off of this price. So paid about 15 bucks, maybe 14 bucks on these. I sell these like hotcakes on Amazon, but on Goat, I sold them. The payout's only like, I sold them for a little over 30 bucks. The payout's 20 something, so like a $10 profit on these. These were like a $50 profit on eBay. Sold these women's Air Max 270 premiums, the floral print ones. Picked these up for $69.99. And if you're wondering why I have it in a bag, it's just because it doesn't have a lid. They're a white shoe, didn't want them to get dirty here in the shop. Sold these on eBay for $134.97. So no fees on that, shoes over 100. So good 45 profit at least on these. So 45, 45, 90 profit on those two, 10, 105 profit. Sold these on goats. Payout will be $93 minus 3% when you transfer it to your bank account. So about 90 bucks, paid for 50 plus tax, so about 54 bucks. So made about $40 profit on these guys as well. So just on these 4 pairs, gonna make about, what is that? Like 140, 150 bucks just on these 4 pairs. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the shoes I picked up this week, kind of where I'm planning on selling them, so on and so forth. So as you can see, I have a bunch of these slides picked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs plus 2 more today, so I'll have 8 in stock on those. They're doing well on eBay at $109, so at least a $40 profit on these. So when they all sell, it's going to be over $300 profit just on those. Picked up some of these Nike free runs. I saw a guy sold literally 200 pairs of these on eBay for $85. I have mine listed at $79.97, so it should make about $30 profit on these. I got 3 pairs of size 12, 3 pairs of size 11.5. 11.5, they're kind of an odd size, so they won't sell as quickly, but they're selling well on eBay, so I picked them up. Trying to just test the eBay waters. I'm not a huge eBay seller. But we also picked up this week 2 pairs of these women's Air Force One Pixels, $39.99. They're going for $90 on GOAT. Got a size 5.5 as well. Again, smaller size in women, so they don't sell as quickly. Picked up a pair of these Nike Kobe 1 Protos this week for $79. These are going for like $140 on GOAT. These were a pretty cool find right here. These are like some women's Air Force Ones. Bring them out here in the light, but they're kind of different. Picked these up at the outlets. These were going, they're sold comps over $200 and a 5.5 on GOAT. Paid $49. I just have mine listed for $180 because I'm not quite too sure. See if they sell at that price. If they do, it's going to be $100 plus profit on those. What else did I get? Some Air Max 95s and men's. Paid $69 for these. Some more Air Max 97s, paid $69 on these as well. Picked up some Nike free Metcons. I mostly just bought these because they're my size and I'd wear them. Worst case, paid 50 bucks on them. Sold comps over 100 on these. What else did I get? What else did I get? And I also picked up these Nike Air Max 270s for $69. Sold comps over 130 on eBay. Now that is all that's left for the day, is to take these and drop them off at UPS. So I'm going to go do that. And just to recap, I'm going to show you the screenshots just to show you that these items sold. So we got the Air Max 270s in the women's. We got a pair of those offline slides on eBay for $109. We got another pair of those offline slides on GOAT, payout $93 and like 45 cents. And then we sold a pair of Adidas regular sandals. So those are the 4 I'm taking today to UPS, along with a few other items from Amazon. But I'm trying to make this a little bit of a regular series, flipping sneakers on eBay, Mercari, GOAT, StockX, and I feel like I'm missing one, but another platform. Just kind of like a side hustle for me, just for fun. I really enjoy sneakers, so if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family so you can learn how to make money flipping stuff, buying and selling, and just selling stuff online. So if you're new to the channel, definitely join the family. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.